Yay, lemon cucumber pickles, second batch this week. So excited. In fact, I'm so excited about the abundant harvest that I almost forgot. Come on, Tabitha. Come on, Casper. Oops. Hello, Marmalade. Come on. Oh, I almost forgot it was the last day of the month. So, um, I'm still kind of anti-technology, computers, social media, all that big good stuff, but look how big these are. Yay. Been eating preserving lots of passion fruit, last watermelon, more loofahs, passion fruit over there. It's Yeah, tomato. Everything is just beautiful. I wish there was a little more rain, but it's okay. We're making it look how beautiful. This is just a bunch of, what are you all? Let's see, nasturtiums, loofahs, beans, two different types of passion flower, passion fruit. But yeah, it is kind of, everything's pretty lush. The end, I don't know. It's not really the end for me. It's kind of just the beginning. I've been harvesting here and there and just kind of, oh, look, yay, finally get some more red ones. It's been a while. I guess it would be like I don't know, what do people call it, bumper crop. These tomatoes are off the hook. I've been harvesting mass amounts. I've just been experimenting with just letting the tomatoes go with it. Some of them are staked or whatever, but I feel the ones that I just let do their thing do better. Oh my gosh. This has gone nuts. All the calendulas and marigolds and everything's covered up. But wow, I just am so grateful. Just tons of food everywhere. And what happened? It's September, 29. That's kind of cool. I've also been eating strawberries still. But yeah, buttloads of lemon cucumbers everywhere. And the beauty, there's all sorts of things that are beautiful about this, but it seems like I've accomplished my mission of everything planting itself, and I just get to enjoy it and harvest what I want or whatever. The rest feeds the screamers down there. I knew if they saw me, they'd start screaming. But so I don't really have to do much, just keep expanding and spreading the seeds everywhere and let them do what they want to do. The figs are done, the grapes are done. This is still the largest zinnia bush in the world. The kitties apparently love sitting in the marigolds, so there we go. They're a little flatter, but look at that. Can you believe how big that is? Yeah, just wow. And some other ones have popped up here, and hello. Even had some love in a mist. There's the seeds. So I'm just gonna take all these seeds and spread them out. And by the way, this little girl, along with Casper, had bobcat fever, allegedly. I'm not doubting that there's something, right, that causes a super healthy kitty to be almost dead. Look at you, you're so beautiful. In a day. But I guess a 1 in 3 chance of survival. And I guess that's if you put him in a vet office for 5 days and all that kind of stuff, which I didn't do. But both of them have made a full recovery. Yay. My fennels were inhabited by caterpillars, of course, butterflies, so that's all right. It'll all come back. Still not couple things. So my website, mytrueessence.net, was hacked and hijacked and sent to multiple other sites anytime somebody clicked on shop or to try to order something. That's fixed. None of those sites are mine. So hopefully, anyways, it should be working and all back together again. And I have been oh really? Are you in my bush or in my garden? Oh, you guys look so cute. No, oh well, missed him. So I have been getting everything back in stock again. Feeling good, just not really. I don't know, the whole social media thing, this and that, after almost 20 years, and, I'm allowed to be done, right? Don't, the words stay doesn't cut it when I have so many priorities, that I care for myself. So when I'm trying to make videos that aren't allowed to be seen, or talk on radio shows that nobody hears, or whatever, it's just not worth my time. So this is, though, the food and medicine, and, I love that I don't have to go to a grocery store. I can if I want to, and do once a month for certain things. But, so it looks like the orchard over here is doing well as well. I'm sure these grapes will be producing well by next year. This is a mimosa. That's enough walking. Anyways, that's enough. I just want to do... I'm working out what's next. I'm done talking with humans, and I just took it to God, straight to source, and it's much better that way. I don't have to deal with, humans that lie, although I do. I have many beautiful humans in my life, and I'm so grateful for them, and that's, again, another reason why the whole social media thing and stuff, it's just not, I have real relationships that, with people that I see almost every day, and I do things, and I work, and I just, okay, I'm gonna spread you over here. So, priorities, beautiful. And taking care of screamers. I have reduced my flock a little. I only have one full chicken coop right now. That makes it a lot easier for me, because right about now, Joopy too, I'm just not standing for anything or anyone. anything that interrupts my peace in any way. So, yeah, I mean, if I'm going to build heaven on earth, right? I might as well make it that way. And this summer, these last several months, learning to be human and rest and relax and enjoy and remove pressures has been life-changing. Yeah, and it's gonna stay that way, so whatever it takes. Yeah, I guess that's about it. I better go feed them. There's, stuff up here is doing good too, but whatever. Yeah, but I am, yeah, so this should be, my datura has been doing really well too. So that's super exciting. Had to get a higher fence because chasing chickens all day is not fun. Especially when they're digging up your plants. So, yeah, I made a few changes and just, yep, I guess that's enough, right? I don't know anybody in my life story. Thanks. See you next time. Bye.